Most index funds and stock investments talk about returns. Very few explain the system behind those returns. So let's break down the Corex earning model step by step. Before discussing numbers, it is important to understand how the structure works. Corex operates on two independent systems. These systems are self-investment and referral income. Each works separately. Each has its own benefits. First, let's begin with the foundation, self-investment. Self-investment returns are based on clear tiers: $100 to $5,000, 6% monthly; $5,001 to $10,000, 8% monthly; $10,001 and above, 10% monthly. For example, an investment of $1,000 at 6% monthly generates $60 every month. That becomes $720 in 1 year. This type of earning is called passive income because it continues without daily activity. Passive income means money works quietly in the background while daily life continues. Along with investment income, Corex also provides a second earning layer. This second layer is referral income. Each new user referral creates commission. More referrals increase network earnings. Important point, referral income remains separate from investment returns. After earning comes the most important question, is access. Corex offers flexible withdrawals. No fixed earning cap. Users may withdraw their earnings through a simple process. Most importantly, your principal is never locked. It can be withdrawn anytime, anywhere, with ease. Full access, full control. Earnings depend on investment size, platform performance, and user discipline. This is structured income, not instant wealth. Understand the system, evaluate responsibly, then decide. Clarity builds confidence.